What's going on, everybody? Captain Namco here. I'm gonna do a cold start on this 1997 Yard Machines by MTD, and I'm gonna bet you almost anything that the battery is probably dead. If it is, and I got jumper cables, got my jumper box, and I can jump start it. Come on. Come on. Woo! Let that run. There she goes. Okay. Gonna let her run for a little bit, warm up. And then I'm going to take her down and get the mail. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Before I go, I just want to remind y'all, cheese or slow chew. God bless.